morning, Quadcopter 101 here, and what I got for you today is a review of the Sunyang, I believe it's Sunyang, SY X25 fly car, or flying car. Now if you look at this, it looks very similar to a previous flying car that I've reviewed, which is the Syma X9 fly car. And let's put them side by side to show a comparison of the two. They're very similar. The wheelbase, or the wheels of the Syma seem to be smaller than the wheels of the X25. Additionally, the propellers of the Syma seem to be also smaller than that of the X25. It has larger wheels, larger propellers. I don't know about its motors. I'm not about to open them up to find out if they're different motors. But other than that, they're very similar. Now, this model does not have the camera installed. This is the cameraless version, so I can sort of make a direct comparison between those two, so we don't have to worry about the weight of including the camera or the power drain of a camera in here. Additionally, the lighting system also appears somewhat similar. The LED lights are a little bit closer in on the Syma car as compared to the SY X25 car. But other than that, they're very similar design. So let's go into a flight of this particular model. I've already flown this before several times, but we can compare based on the previous flights I've done with the X9 fly car. So let's go for a flight of the SY X25. Hope you enjoy this flight. But before we do, I haven't gone over the controller. I always forget to do the controller on these. This is the controller of the X25. You can control the lights with the upper left shoulder button. You can control flips with the upper right shoulder button. This also has headless mode and one key return. One key return is this button here, and headless mode is this button here. So other than that, the other buttons here are trim buttons for throttle, for pitch, and also for roll. So that's the controller in a nutshell. Let's start off right here on this sidewalk. We will plug in the quadcopters, or the fly car's battery, X25 fly car battery. Turn on the aircraft car / car. Place it down on the sidewalk here. Turn on the transmitter, binding it to the car. Let's start off with driving. Very similar to the X25. I got stuck in some geese poop there. Hold on. There's geese poop all around here. We got snow geese in the area. And with that in mind, let's go bother the snow geese. We're going to drive up the sidewalk here. Whoa. Okay, I'm stuck there. How am I going to get out of this? Why, very simple. Let's go right into flying for a bit. I'm going to fly down to the snow geese and see if they're perturbed by this car. Going, what the hell is that? See the snow geese off in the distance there? Hello, Mr. Snow Geese. Yeah, they don't like it. So that's a good way to chase snow geese, is using this fly car. Hey, it's got good range. How about the flips? Let's bring it in close and try the flips. Flipping it. Flip button. It gives it a little oomph before it goes up and does the flip. Actually pretty darn good. I'm surprised. It does flips very well for a flying car. Now, I did not see different rates. Let's see if... Oh yeah, this upper left button controls the rates also. You got beginner and expert. And I guess you turn the lights off by holding the button down for 2 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So we'll turn the lights off for now since we're flying in daylight. Beginner. Coming down a bit, flip it. I like that this can do flips. Let's go back to expert. Let's try out the range of this. The range of this is pretty damn good. Actually, this is a great car. That's out to about 70 meters or so, and I flew out by those snow geese down there. This actually flies excellent. It's just surprising how well they make these things. I do like this one, actually. Just the way it could fly. So both the, it's a hard choice here. Given a choice between the two, I like this one as I think it's a better flyer. It seems to be a better flyer than the the Syma X9 flies very well, but this one here seems to fly a little bit better. Yeah, a little bit better than the X9. Okay, let's bring it over here. We're going to go over and drive around on the sidewalk a bit. So yeah, you go and you can land it and fly it over the X25 or X9, go down to that end there, coming back, come in for a landing. And there we go. Okay, let's see it drive. Does it drive on dirt? Yes, it does. It drives on dirt also. Hold on. Okay, I'm taking it off from the dirt. Going around over here. Let's go over here by the sagebrush. Yeah, it's a nice flyer. Just tried to see if it's a dirt car also. I didn't try that with the X25 yet. No, it doesn't like the dirt. Maybe there's no more power for the dirt. But there's power to fly. So I'm going to fly it a bit. Really cool car. I just want to show it. It's actually very, very stable. Looking at its stability here, folks. Oh, I didn't try the headless mode or one key return. Which way was the headless mode again? Headless mode. Let's see. That's the headless mode direction. Headless mode works. It remembers the direction it was pointed at. Let's try the one key return. One key return. And it works also. Let's go back down there again. Try the one key return. On, one key return on. It's very slow when doing one key return. Can you increase it with, no, you can't change it with beginner or expert. So, let's try the one headless mode pirouettes. It does pirouettes very nicely. It's just an overall cool car. Coming out of headless mode right now. Coming out of headless mode. Let's go over here and go back to fly car and drive it now. We haven't drove it very much. It's okay. I got to get up close to it because I always. Actually, this one's more drivable than seems to be more drivable than the X25 because the X25 overcorrects very easily. This one seems to be very good at it. I'm trying to keep up with it. What if I go to higher rate? Whoa! It accelerates. You got to be careful of this thing. So, right now, folks, I can tell you I prefer this one over the X25. Although the X25 you can hook up with an X8C. It's proportional speed too. Okay, we're gonna have to get over that bump. This one has proportional speed. You see how I start out slow, and I'm in high rate right now, and if I push a little bit forward and a little more forward, it accelerates. Same with the steering, it's proportional. Going back to beginner, because it seems easier to drive. I'm looking for those, oh, there's some more geese. Let's go over and bug those geese. Hello geese, here I come. Snow geese. They come down here every winter, down here to Ridgecrest, California. You guys want to hang out? You guys want to hang out? No? I guess not. They're not interested. Going back to high. This, yeah, I like this one better. Okay, if we're comparing the two, I like this one. Seems to be a better flyer, better driver than the Syma X9. The only advantage of Syma X9 over this one I see seems to be you can hook it up with the X8C controller to get more range. But other than that, I think this one's the winner of the two. And also, I understand they got a camera version of it, which I didn't get. I just wanted to see how they flew. Flight time is very good too. Ooh, come out of the sun. It is a very good quadcopter. And a car. And a quadcopter. And a car. I like it. I like it very much. I'm going to keep this one for myself, to tell you the truth. Usually I give them away to charities. You know, oh, there goes the low battery light, LVC warning. So, how much time was that, folks, to get to the LVC light? What's it do when the battery runs out? We'll find out here shortly. I'm going to stay close to the ground because I don't want to break it, but we're going to fly it until the battery goes kaput. We'll drive over the grass to lessen the chance of damage. I see what happens. The throttle increases. I'm at full throttle right now, so I'm landing, and I don't want to hurt that battery. So all in all, I like the Syma X25. I like it a lot. I like it more than the X9. I'm sorry, Syma. This one seems to be a better flyer. Hope you enjoyed this flight. This is Quadcopter 101, signing out.